Oboe Files! Today we're talking about etude number 7 from the Ferling set of 48 etudes, and this is the slow one in E minor. The interesting thing about this etude is getting the intervals in tune. It's really difficult to play in tune in E minor, and also just supporting through the different registers in different dynamics. There's a section at the end that has a little bit of technique, but it's very interesting to get the different voicings down. I think the main musical feature of this etude that will make you stand out if this comes up for auditions for a band or for Allstate are the sensitivity of your trills. So if you are going to execute a trill, maybe we'll take the first one. It's really emotionally charged if you can start the trill slowly and then speed it up into the notch log. The notch log is just the 2 notes at the end of the trill note. So here's starting measure 1. So you want to start the trill slowly. Now this one is interesting because the D sharp, I start on the right hand side, but then I switch to the left hand side to get the trill. So that way I'm able to just wiggle the 4th finger of the right hand, and that gives you your trill. And start slow. To practice this, put on your metronome and just make sure you're actually landing with the pulse. And you might not do it with changing the speed of the trill at first. And just see how it feels to hold that note oscillating for that long. And then as that gets easier, start to speed up the trill until it gets the speed of the notch log. Now, there's another option, and you can actually stop the trill on a downbeat and then have plenty of time for the notch log. And that one's like second choice. Let's do an example of that one maybe in at the end. Where you stop it on beat, well, I guess the 4th, 8th note, so that you are really secure and stable for the notch log. Other than that, I think just challenge your dynamic range and remember to develop your vibrato to really carry you through these large intervals and leaps that are pretty hard to find the intonation for. Other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe below, and when in doubt, play beautifully.